Good day. I want to quickly talk about how to file a confirmation statement in this video. This is applicable to limited companies. So if you have a limited company and you are a director, you have to file what we call a confirmation statement. This is an annual requirement. It is completely separate to um, to the filing of annual accounts. So don't get this mixed up. As a limited company, you have to file a confirmation statement every 12 months. To file a confirmation statement, you will need um, your company's house account, which is different to web filing account, your company number, your company authentication code, and then £34 if you are doing this yourself. There is guidance available on filing the confirmation statement um, here, so you could follow this link if you want to know more on what a confirmation statement is. You can come on this link to um, know more about it. All right, so to file your confirmation, um, yeah, this is more guidance on here, and you've got a video you could watch on the company's house website. You can read all of this information to know a bit more. All right, so to file your confirmation statement yourself, you need to go to company's house website, so companieshouse.gov.uk, and then you click on file your confirmation statement. If you don't have an account, this is where you register for an account. If you do have an account, you need to click on Start Now, sign into web filing, sign in, and then you um, sign in, and then you will be sent a code which you need to put here. So once you obtain your code, you click on Continue, and then at the top you have got a file for a company. So you click on the option to file for a company, and then you get your company number. You get your company number. You choose your country. You confirm your information is correct for the company you want to file for on this page. And then you input your authentication code here. Now, if you do not have your authentication code, you can see where it says help with authentication code. So go through there and follow the instructions to obtain your authentication code. And so I'll click on continue. You could choose yes for this so that you don't have to put in your authentication code every time. All right, so here you have the company details, and then to file the confirmation, you could scroll down to view all the other details, basic details, but to file the confirmation statement, you need to click on File Confirmation Statement. You then gives you a summary of what you need and how much you need to pay. You click on Start. Company trading status for a small business, the default answer is no, so you go to Next. And then you have to confirm everything on this page. Okay, so you need to go through each section one by one to confirm the information on this page. So is your email address correct? Yes. Is your registered office address correct? Yes. Now to the officer section, all this information correct? Yes. Registers, no sale address registered. Is register's information correct? The default answer is usually yes for a company like yours. And then you have the SIC code and then the statement of capital. This is where you make a change to your SIC code. If you want to remove the code, at least you need to have at least one SIC code. To add more, you click on add new code and then you can add more codes there. If you have more than one, you need to and you want to remove, you click on remove and that will remove it. You can have up to four SIC codes on here. Once you're happy with this, you click on that to confirm the information is correct. Under the statement of capital, if you want to, this is the section where you can amend the number of shares that you have, the type of shares that you have. So to amend or update this, you click on that there to amend and update, and then you follow the instructions on there. If you're adding new shares, you're going to need the prescribed particulars, such as this one here: full voting rights, rights to dividends, right to capital distribution. If you need to add a different um, um, currency and class of shares, you can use this option to do that. Here you want to make sure that your total number of shares is correct. It matches the information you have on here, and the total aggregate value as well is correct. Total unpaid amount, that is usually zero because you would have paid, or we assume that you have paid for the share by putting the sum in your director's loan account. And once you're happy with that, you tick that the information is correct. And then at the bottom of the screen, you have information on the shareholders. So this is where you can amend the shareholder information. So if you needed to add an additional shareholder, this is where you do that. So you click on amend, and then you add the additional shareholder. Once you're happy, you tick on to you confirm that the information on there is correct. The same with the person of significant control. If you need to make a change, you need to make a change outside of the confirmation statement. So you click on yes to confirm it is correct. Even if it's not correct and you need to update it, you can say yes and then update it later. Now, this is where you confirm that you have all the information is correct. And once you are happy, just scroll to review all the information. And then once you're happy, you click on submit. All right, so this is the submission page. And then on the submission page, you need to choose to pay by credit or debit card or PayPal. And then um, you you click on continue and you put your details. And you put your details on there to pay. So once you've put in your payment details, you get a chance to confirm and to continue. And that's it. Your confirmation statement has been submitted, and you should get email correspondence confirming your payment um, as well. And that is how you complete a confirmation statement by yourself.